Guys, I just got my hands on what might be the laziest way to own a pool, but in a good way. This is the Aiper Experts Duo. And instead of one robot doing all the work, it's basically a full two-man cleaning team. One handles the bottom and the other one handles the top. I'm gonna dump in real debris, make a real mess, and by the end of this, we're gonna actually see if this actually does what it's supposed to do, or if it's just an expensive pool toy. Let's get at it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. To all my longtime subscribers, welcome back. Today I got a cool video for you guys. I'm going to be working in my pool and I'm going to be talking to you guys about the new Aiper Experts Duo featuring the Scuba V3 and the Ecosurfer S2. Now if you guys are in the market for a pool robot for your pool, this might be the combo that you guys are looking for. To keep it simple, I'm going to break this video down like I always do into different sections, talking about the features, how this thing works, and showcasing them working together as a pair. If that's something that interests you guys and you want to see it, make sure to stick around as I'm going to talk to you about all the features and how this thing works in tandem to keep your pool looking spotless just like mine. If you guys are up for it, let's go ahead and let's talk about it real quick. All right, so the Aiper Experts Duo is two machines working at the same time. You got the Scuba V3. This is your underwater vacuum for your floors, walls, and all the heavy stuff. And this one here is going to be the Ecosurfer S2, which is going to basically float on top of the surface. It's going to catch all the debris. It's going to be a 24-hour skimmer. And to be honest, guys, this makes way more sense than trying to have one robot do everything. Because the reality of it is, most pool robots, they kind of either clean the bottom or they skim the surface, but they rarely do both of them well. We got leaves, dirt, fine debris, basically everything that your pool deals with after a storm or just if you have a bad week of neglect. So we're going to dump a bunch of stuff into the pool. And by doing this, instead of running them one at a time, we can drop them both in at the same time and we can watch them go to work and see how well they're going to clean the pool. So first up, the Scuba V3. This thing is going to basically scan your pool and it's going to use what Aiper calls AI Patrol to map out the most efficient cleaning path. And watching this thing in action is awesome because it doesn't just bounce around randomly like some of the older robots which have like a S path or an N path. This thing actually uses the AI to strategically go around and pick up all the debris that's at the bottom of the pool. And that alone is a huge upgrade because as you guys know, wasted time is wasted battery. The V3 was able to climb all the walls, it hits the water line, and it uses a jet assist scrub to loosen up all the debris. And for all the heavier stuff like sand, this is where it actually mattered the most. You guys want strong suction, and this thing, delivers. Didn't miss a beat. Now on the surface, the Ecosurfer S2 was doing its thing. It basically was doing what your skimmer should be doing, but basically all the time. And that actually is the key because while the V3 was working, it didn't have to work as hard because the Surfer S2 was able to skim all the stuff that's on the surface before it even got a chance to sink to the bottom. And of course, the Ecosurfer S2 is solar powered. So it kind of just lives in the pool and does its thing. The features of this is awesome like anything else. It has a huge basket that collected everything and emptying it is super simple. All you need to do is pull it out, dump it, rinse it out, and you're done. Now, after letting them both run, this is where it gets interesting. The surface, spotless. The bottom, no visible signs, no leaf piles, no mist zones. And here's the big difference that I noticed. I know I told you guys this before. When both of these units are running together, the Scuba V3 isn't fighting the constant falling debris because the Ecosurfer already handled it. All right, let me give you guys a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Let's talk about it. First up is true 24/7 cleaning, meaning this will be running 24/7 and this one, you can leave it in your pool and let it schedule and do its thing 24/7. It will start up and clean whenever it needs to. Aiper calls this feature AI Navium, and in order to access it, all you got to do is jump into the app, and this is going to unlock all the magic. Aiper is going to generate a weekly schedule based on your cleaning habits. Now, obviously, you can tweak it as you need to, but by having AI Navium, it's going to give you the flexibility to just drop this thing in the water on a Sunday and just take it out on a Saturday. And to me, that is awesome. All you have to do is charge it once a week. Another pro is it covers both the top and the bottom at the same time. The third pro is that you're obviously going to have less manual cleaning. This thing has AI technology, which means once you drop it in, it's going to be able to seek, search, get everything, collect all the debris. You don't have to do a thing. You got app control for both of them. They both have smart navigation and The V3 has the tracks, which means that it's going to be able to go over all the stuff that you have in the bottom of your pool, like your filters, or if you have floor drains or anything like that, it's going to be able to cruise over it, no problem. The V3 has night vision, where this thing will run at night and still use the AI technology to catch any debris. They both have filter systems that will be able to catch everything. This one, all the stuff on the surface, and this one, it has a built-in filter with a micro mesh, which filters down to 3 microns, so you're good to go there. And that's just some of the pros. Now, we can't talk about the pros without talking about the cons, of course. So the first con is, obviously, it's 2 units, and it means you're going to have to pay for both of them. Now, they come as a bundle, and they're sold as a bundle, so you're going to get a huge discount, but the price point may be a sticking point for you. The second con is, even though that they are running 24/7, you still have to take them out and empty the baskets. So, you know, that's a con if you want to call it that. And the last and final con is that if you have a small pool, this might be overkill for your system, but that's not a bad con in any way, at least not that I can think of. Now, even though this is a combo, if you guys want to see the video that I've done on both of these individually, where I dig deeper into their features, you can check those out. They'll be here for you, so you guys can check them out if you want to. As a combo pack, this is the combo that you want to go ahead and look at. So, is the Aiper Experts Duo worth it? If you guys are the type of person who's always cleaning, skimming, and vacuuming your pool by yourself, you may want to look into this. I mean, this is pretty much as hands-off as you're going to get. Now, I know that nothing is perfect, but this is pretty damn close, I won't lie. So if you guys are interested in this, links are in the description. You guys know where to pick them up. And if you're interested, like I said, in seeing a hands-on review of each one of them individually, links should be here, or I'll leave them in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget, leave a comment below if there's any questions that you have regarding each one of these or as a set. Just leave them down below and I'll get back to you guys. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.